Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're cooking John Dory over a wood fire. So, welcome to CountryWoodSmoke HQ again, and here I am with my good friend Steve Johnson. How are you, mate?
I'm good, man. Good.
Yeah,
it's good to be here.
What is this that we're cooking today? Tell me about it, please.
Well, this is a nice 1.5 kilo John Dory, as fresh as they come. It's a fish that is caught by trawlers. You don't get this in a fishmonger's generally. This is a restaurant quality fish, which I got directly from Robert's Fisheries in Brixton Market. I'm very fortunate living by the sea and having a friend who's a fish merchant that I can get the good quality fish that I can. Smaller dories are available in fishmongers and they're just as tasty and sweet.
It's beautifully fresh. It's got this real distinctive spot on as well.
That's right. In France it's called the Saint-Pierre. It's supposed to be the mark of St. Peter. For me, this is close to being the best fish to cook on a barbecue because it's not too bony. It is very bony, but the bones are attached to the fins on either side, and these fins can be pulled out with all the attached bones here. Then all you're left with is the spine and the ribs. No other bones to get in the way, so it fillets beautifully after cooking.
Wow, cool. Looking forward to doing this. So, simple approach?
Very simple approach. We'll dry the fish in a minute. We shall then salt it, and then we shall rub some olive oil on. Won't put the olive oil on until just before we put it on the fire. Otherwise the oil dissipates off the fish. What we'll do is oil the grate. That will prevent it sticking. And
we've got some nice lemon salt here. That's looking good there. Look at that, lovely. We've had a little taste of that. So tell us about the sort of fire you need today.
Well, what I like cooking this over a birchwood fire because the incense-like smoke that you get from silver birch just complements the fish so nicely. It gives a gorgeous flavour. You're
like me, aren't you? We've been talking about silver birch as a wonderful, wonderful wood to cook over, and only recently people are actually starting to realise what a good wood it is.
I think it's the go-to wood for barbecue.
It's an all-rounder and it's lovely. It's great to see a lot of people taking it up as well. You know, cherry's really good as well. It's quite sweet. It's a different, you know, different wood.
I don't use this so much for smoking like long and slow, but for open fire cooking.
Asado sort of styles.
And wood-fired ovens. You get that lovely wood smoke flavour with it.
That was how I discovered it first. I got a bag of it and used it in my pizza oven, and it was fantastic. And I thought, oh yeah, you know, what other ways can I cook with this? And it's great. Okay, so the fire has burnt down to embers. There's a lovely fragrant smoke. So let's get this fish on. Wow, Steve, that looks incredible.
Thank you, Marcus.
I can't wait to taste this. What have we got here? Tell us what this is.
This is homemade wild garlic butter, hand-chopped wild garlic, 250 gram stick of butter, 80 grams of wild garlic leaves, good pinch of sea salt. Mix it together. Bob's your uncle.
The colour of that is incredible.
And it tastes incredible.
Yeah. So what we're going to do that? Just melt it on?
Melt it on.
Oh boy. I love the way this is sort of just crisped up here and browned off. It's perfect. That skin looks lovely and crispy. It's quite delicate skin really, isn't it? There's not really any scales on it too either.
No, it's not a scaly fish. You don't need to scale these fish, unlike a bass or a bream, which are heavily scaled. So that's fine. I think we can start serving it now. A little tip. This is the chef's choice.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
There we go. That is the best bit on the fish. There you go, Marcus.
Oh, thank you. Oh boy.
That's good.
It's quite a dense fish.
It is a very, it's quite a firm flesh.
It's quite sweet. It's got beautiful flavour.
Right.
Absolutely beautiful, and it's the wild garlic on it. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's subtle. The wild garlic's more subtle than a traditional garlic.
So you're just taking the fillets off there.
Let's cut down here, just through the skin. One thing you can do to make it less bony is literally pull these bones out. Okay. Like that.
Oh wow.
So I like those bits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's flaky, it's juicy, it's beautiful. I'd say that was cooked perfectly for me, really. Thank you. It just tastes of the sea, really, as well. There's no sort of fishiness about it. It's just beautiful.
It's easier to fillet this fish with a cake slice.
You're right. It's no bones in it at all. There's the odd little bit, but nothing. Lovely big flakes like that.
And the skin, you can eat the skin. It's a very thin skin, as you mentioned before, and it's quite flavoursome. So.
That's sensational, mate. That's better than any restaurant John Dory I've ever eaten. It really is. And it's really simple to cook it at home. No sticking, no fuss, no nonsense. Thank you, mate. That's smashing.
My pleasure.
Yeah, definitely the king of barbecue sea fish, I think. Yeah, thank you. Well, thanks, guys. I think you've smashed it here, Steve. So great job. Thank you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'd like to do more videos getting other people in to cook with and share the experience here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ. So thanks for coming along the afternoon, Steve. And if you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, that box down there, subscribe, like and comment. How can people find you on social media?
I'm on Facebook as Steve Johnson. Most importantly, Instagram is It's in the Smoke.
It's in the smoke. There you go. Cool. Thank you.